Two words that come to mind about the sports medicine program here at Hillsboro High School is opportunity and exposure. Students get the opportunity to have a hands-on learning experience through outreach initiatives that we host, or any like sports medicine elementary workshops that we go over and help out with. Students get the exposure to directly work with industry professionals through our mentorship program with OHSU. They also get exposed to a state-of-the-art sports medicine facility.
Yeah, so one of my favorite projects that we've done so far was learning how to use spine boarding. And I think that's really important, especially like if you're planning to be an EMT. I feel like you being able to use a spine board is kind of essential when you're an EMT. And that was just something really cool for me to learn about.
Right now, we're learning different skill methods and skill performance levels. When you begin a sport or an activity, kind of like that beginner level where you have to talk to yourself, where you have to be guided through. Intermediate, where you kind of get it, but you need those little extra steps. And then autonomous, where like as like tying your shoes, you already know how to do it off the jump.
Esta clase es diferente a las demás porque aquí no nada más estamos trabajando en el salón de clases, sino que tenemos la oportunidad de salir afuera, hacer servicio comunitario, ir a diferentes escuelas, enseñarles, vamos también con niños de primaria a enseñarles las cosas que nosotros aprendemos, y también tenemos la oportunidad de tener una maestra que nos ayuda mucho y nos enseña con mucha pasión.
I hope that students are able to gain a passion for the health sciences, an empathy for helping others, and a want to give back to the community.
Growing up, I was always surrounded by medical equipment, needles. With my mom being a diabetic, it's always been part of my atmosphere. But it wasn't until high school, I never had really a very straight path on where I wanted to go. And I was like, why not take some med classes? My first year in my junior year is when I truly fell in love with medicine and just learning so much in Corey's class and being able to apply that not only in school, but also outside of my community.
This program has actually made me found like my future profession. I'm really interested in dermatology or anesthesiology. So with this program, I'm learning the basics of anatomy, physiology, learning anything about like basically everything about the healthcare system. And it just really inspired me to like find what I really want to do once I graduate high school, and even like impacted like what colleges I want to go to. So it's definitely helped me find like my like future calling and definitely my career that I want to go into.
It's such like a cool feeling, like knowing that I don't necessarily, I guess, directly save lives, but I have a hand in all of these humans that I get to teach at some point, being able to go out and make a difference, and then they will get to be able to save lives in their own like accord eventually.